Hi guys, today what I have for you here is the DC Comics superhero Batman Lego set. It's 136 pieces for ages 5 and 12. This is something I stumbled across when I was at Target shopping. I think this was maybe around $12.99. I know the DC superheroes are really popular right now. This one looks like it has a couple different options yet. I obviously haven't opened it up, so what we're going to do for you today is unboxing of this DC Comics superhero collection for the Batman series, and then we're going to go ahead and assemble it and show the finished product. We're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like it comes with 3 different packs. This looks like your basic Lego building blocks. These look like a few of the more specialty or smaller items. I see some eyeballs in here. I see a few of these kind of nifty clear colored guys, which we'll get a better shot of here in a moment. And then you also have the tiny accessory bag. So I'm going to go ahead and lay some of these out just to make the video go a little bit faster, so I'll get an idea of the order that they need to go into. And of course I'm going to use my handy dandy Lego instruction booklet that this comes with. So give me just a moment, we'll get these assembled. Okay, I have everything divided out in some couple of nice semi-neat little packages. I'm going to go ahead and get everybody put together. Okay, I'm all complete here with my Batman and Penguin Lego DC Comics set. As you can see, I have a little bit of glare there, sorry. I have the Penguin on his duck. Penguin has a bomb in his hand, and kind of one of the neat things about these toys is that both Batman and the Penguin have these little kind of side launchers. You can actually use your thumb and push them out. So you can shoot them at each other. So not only do you have the build fun, but you kind of have a little play set afterwards. Here's Batman. Batman again comes in a little scuba suit, all ready to fight crime against the Penguin. He has his little jet ship, just like Penguin does in his duck, but more a obviously sophisticated Batman version. Batman has little flippers on, so it's kind of a cuter playset, especially for younger ones. And again, you can do battle between the duck and the Batman's vehicle by shoving these out. This one doesn't have a lot of thrust on them. I've noticed the more you play with them, the easier they come out. But you can shoot them at people. The set also came with these with the penguin bombs here. Don't know how well you'll be able to pick them up because the color is probably going to get washed out. But they're actually really kind of cute little Lego penguins that are, just a light here, that are holding little sticks of dynamite. Really, really super cute playset. In all, for the, I think it was 12, like I said, this is between $10 and $12 that I spent on this playset. Definitely a good buy for some young ones. They'll definitely have a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy my unboxing of Batman DC Comics Lego set. Thanks for watching.